7th day. Are separated by rotate about common center of mass. Center of mass will be point because masses are same, and because distance between the charges is 2r, and this is also r, and this is 1 kg, 1 kg. Then gravitational force provides the necessary centripetal acceleration. What is gravitational force? m1 m2 by r square, 1 square by r square, that is 2r whole square, 4r square, that is equal to m omega square r. M is 1, so omega square into r. R is radius of the circle, that is r. Because 2r, but they rotate about common center of mass. So radius is r. From here omega value will get. Answer is second question. Conducting wire has a resistance of 60 at 1500 degrees. Find temperature coefficient. Conducting wire, as temperature increases at 100 degrees, as temperature increases for a conducting wire. Okay. Coefficient of resistance is positive. For non-conductors, it will decrease. So at 100 degrees, it is 20 ohm. So 20 1 plus alpha delta theta. Okay. Alpha into delta theta. What is delta theta? 100. That is 85 L. Approximately you will get. Okay. Actually, R equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha theta I should use. R naught is temperature resistance at 0 degrees centigrade. But doesn't matter, you will get approximate value because not give very clear all the value. Here 4 you will get 20 by 60, that is 5 by 4 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. So what is alpha? 1 by 4 into 85, that is 1 by 40 by 340. Third question. Third question. That has a length L, find electric field at center here. Now electric field here due to these will be 0 because they are equidistant and same charges. Similarly, to Q, I am assuming electric field is E, let us say. Q. What is E? AQ by L square. AQ by L square. So due to this, electric field will be E downwards. Due to this, it will be 2E upwards because charge is 2Q. Okay. So resultant electric field is directional. Similarly, to this, because this distance is how much? Root 2L, electric field is times smaller. Charges are same, but distance root 2 times greater. So electric field times smaller. So due to this, E by 2 in this direction, and due to this, in this direction. So resultant will be E by 2 in this. That's all. Angle is 45 degrees. So then you can find resultant. What is X component? You can find X component and Y component and do, or you can use parallelogram law directly. Okay. 45 degrees is the angle. What is the resultant? Of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is 45 degrees. Or X and Y components you can find and root of EX square plus E. Okay. If I use parallelogram law, what do you get? If I take E common, of 1 square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1 cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. That's what it is. 5 by 4 plus 1 by root 2, that's what it is. Okay. Fourth question. Force F naught is equal start to act on a ball of mass m. Ball was at find velocity of the ball at t. Integrate force with respect to time, we will get change in momentum. But initial momentum is 0. Change in momentum is nothing but final momentum. Integrate force with respect to time. Integrate this force, what do you get? F naught into integrate this first term I will get t second term minus t by t whole, integrate that, minus t whole cube by 3. 1 by t square you can take outside anyhow. Minus t integrate. Minus t whole square. What do you get? Minus t whole cube by 3. The minus sign. So it will become plus. Then I will get whole cube. You have to integrate this. This we have integrated already. Where to where? 0 to 2t. Equal to mass into final loss minus initial loss, which is that's all. Okay. Then small t equal to 2 capital T you put. Here how much you will get? Minus here 2t. By 3 I did. Integrate what do you get? Minus t whole by 3. Here what do you get? Minus t whole cube. Minus t here. Okay. And t also you should put lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit you should put. Okay. Substitute limit, upper limit and minus 0 lower limit. Equal to 0 if you put, you will get 1 by 3. By 3. That is equal. Question. Block of mass m as shown. There is released from rest. Top of a fixed. Find the angle made by this particle with vertical contact with the hemisphere. A standard question, cos inverse 2 by 3. Okay. But where will it lose contact means what? Somewhere here, normal force should become 0. Let us say velocity here is v. Then from here to here, what is potential energy loss? R into 1 minus cos theta, that is equal to kinetic energy gain, that is half mv square. Okay. Then here, what are the forces acting? Because it has just lost contact, normal force has become 0. What is the only force acting is gravitational force at that instant. What is component of gravitational force towards center? mg cos theta. That is equal to mass into centripetal acceleration, that is v square by r. Okay. Now from these two equations, what is v square? Gr cos theta. You have to substitute. Square equal to gr cos theta. If you put gr cancels. Minus 2 cos theta is cos theta. I'll get. Then 3 cos theta equal to 2. So cos theta is 2 by 3. Cos inverse 2 by 3. The answer is standard question. Number 6. Figure shows variation of potential energy displacement. Potential energy versus displacement graph. Okay. Potential energy is constant up to x1. Kinetic energy also will be constant. Find the correct state. Then x1, kinetic energy is body as constant. Correct. Less than x1. Part. Potential energy is maximum here. Okay. Potential energy is maximum. So kinetic energy will be minimum. So, but constant. Because potential energy is constant, total energy is constant, kinetic energy is also constant. Answer is A. Seventh question. Magnetic flux in a circular loop having resistance is time as pi equal to 10t square plus 20. What will be the current in the circuit at 5 seconds? What is EMF in minus d phi by dt? That is how much? Only magnitude they are asking. So minus sign I am not writing. So how much I will get? 20t plus 20. But at t equal to 5 seconds, if I substitute at 120 phi by dt, that is EMF. 120 at 5 seconds, that is EMF induced by resistance. So 120 by 2 ampere is current. Okay. Answer is C. Match the list. As the list correct option. It has given different physical quantities and dimensional formulae. But what happens is here for one getting repeated. Okay. For 1, here 2 they have given, here 3, here 3, here 2. Okay. So what happens is here, let us say for example 2, here 3 they are given, here 1, then 4, then 4. Once again repeated for 2 also. For 3, electrical permittivity, here 4, here 3, here 2, here 1. If you check for 3, you will get the answer, because for 3 not repeated. Okay, so check directly for 3. For permittivity epsilon naught, what are the units? 1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square is force. Okay, what is epsilon naught? Square by force and meter square. Okay, 2 means IT, that is I2 T2 by force, that is ml minus 2, m minus 1, L minus 1, I will get. Okay, and the meter square, that is L minus 2, L minus 2. So what do you get now? M minus 1, L minus 3, M minus 1, L minus 3, and T4, I2 I will get. So 2 will get. Okay, matched with here only. Okay, the answer. Like that you can check. Okay, if you verify first choice now, what happens? You have to verify 2 times at least, because for 1, 2 and 1, 2 once again they have given. Second one also you have to verify. That is the problem. Okay, directly verify for electric permittivity. Okay, the answer is 9th question. Block of mass 1 kg connected to a massless from one end, SHM. It means amplitude 5 centimeters and time period. Find potential energy after 0.05 seconds. Time period is 0.2 seconds. 0.05 seconds they are asking. 0.2 by 4 is 0.05. Okay, means t by 4. So after t by 4 seconds from mean position, it will be at extreme position. At extreme position. Potential energy at extreme position they are asking. Usually, if nothing is mentioned, kinetic energy at mean position is equal to potential energy at extreme. What is kinetic energy at mean position? Half m omega square a square. Okay, half m omega square a square. That's all. Okay, that is potential energy at extreme. What is kinetic energy at mean? Half m omega square a square. Mass 1 kg. Omega square. What is omega? 2 pi by t. That is pi by 0.1 whole square. Pi by t. That is 2 pi by 0.2. Pi by 0.1. That is 10 pi I will get. Okay. 10 pi whole square means 100 pi square. Half m omega square a square. What is amplitude? 5 centimeters. That is 25 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay. What will get? 100 cancels, power of minus 2. Pi square is approximately 10. Get 10 to the power of minus 1. 0.5 by 2 or 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Answer is D. Okay. Potential energy at extreme position is equal to kinetic energy at mean position if nothing is mentioned, and that is energy of oscillation, where we take potential energy at mean 0. Okay. Tenth question. So the following is correct graph between delta and angle of incidence I. Of light passes through directly. This is a standard question. Okay. What happens as angle of incidence is increased? Angle of deviation first decreases until I becomes equal, where deviation is minimum. Then afterwards, once again you increase the angle of incidence. Angle of deviation increases. So first decreases and answer. But it is not a symmetric curve, not a parabola. Okay, so it is not symmetric curve. Pendulum bob of mass m and charge q, parallel plate capacitor. First half of this dielectric of dielectric constant K, and another half is vacuum. There bob is hinged. What will be the angular deflection of pendulum? Vertical. Bob is in equal. So when Bob is in some angle theta, okay, what are the forces acting? Charge on the Bob is Q and electric field is E horizontally, Q horizontal force. Tension is T, gravitational force. Then if I solve net force to be 0 in vertical components and horizontal components and equal to 0, get F is equal to mg tan theta, that is equal to tan theta. Tan theta, that's all. But how do you find E? Now, these two capacitors are in series. What is potential difference they have applied? V. Potential difference they have applied is V. Okay. Then what is the ratio of then potential divides in the inverse ratio of capacitance. Capacitors are in series. What is the ratio of capacitance? 1 is to K. 1 is to K. Common area is common. Capacitance only depends on dielectric constant. 1 is to K. Potential divides in the ratio of K to 1. What is potential difference across this empty space? Divides in the ratio of K is to 1. K by K plus 1. That is potential difference. What is electric field? Potential difference by distance by d by 2. That is electric. Electric field. Substitute this value of electric field. There you will get tan theta. What is tan theta? Okay. You can also verify answers in such problems. How do you verify? K equal to 1. Electric field should be E by D. Equal to 1. Electric field will be V by D. By D. Okay. Then what do you get? What is tan theta? Equal to mg tan theta. Then by D equal to mg tan theta. Okay. So what should be tan theta? By mgd should be. By mgd if K equal to 1. Okay. Put K equal to 1. Wrong. Okay. If you put K equal to 1, here 3 you are getting. So wrong. If you put K equal to 1, here half you are getting. Correct answer. 2 cancels, you get that. Okay. You can verify like that also. Not do also such. K equal to 1, then it will become air core capacitor. Okay. Then what is electric field? Potential difference by distance, because it is constant electric field. Like that also you can do. From answers you can verify because multiple choice question. 12th question. Gates. I am leaving. Or this is AND gate. Not gate, this is OR gate. So what are the inputs we will see? First 0, 0. Here 0, 0 if I give, then here 1 I will get. And 0, 0 means here 0. So 1 means 1 I will get. So 0, 0 it should get 1. All the 3 are possible. Next is 0, 1 they have given. Okay. If I give 0, 1, what happens? Here 0, then here 0, here 0. Okay. So 0, 1 you should get 0. This is wrong. Okay. See, wrong actually. So 1 means 0 you will get. Okay. So 1, this is not gate. So 0 means OR gate. So 0 means 0 you should get. So for 0, 1 you should get 0. So answer is B or D. Okay. Next one is 1, 0. Okay. 1, 0. So if I put 1, 0, what do you get? 1, 0 means 0. 0 means 1. So 1 I should get. Okay. So B should get answer. Okay. Answer is B, not C. Wrong I think. Okay. Write the approximate value of Planck's constant and permittivity. That you know. Planck's constant 20.67 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Or not 8 minus 12 value. Long wires having same current, having radius. What will be the current? Correct represent. Now, what will be magnetic field inside for a strong, long straight wire? Magnetic field inside at a distance r given by not J r by 2. Okay. J means current by area. Current by area. Okay. Current is same, but area is different for both of them. I have given A is less than B. So for A, J is more. So magnetic field inside will be more. Inside will be more when compared to B. Okay. Distance also. Okay. So mu naught Jr by 2. Outside mu naught I by 2 pi r. That is magnetic field. Outside decreases. Hyperbola. Okay. Inside linearly vary. All the graphs they have given, shape is correct, but you have to verify. Okay. Then what will be magnetic field side? For A it is greater, I'll get, okay. For A, side for A it is greater because it is greater for a given distance. So up to A, at A, magnetic A will be more when compared to B. Distance A is less than B. So at a distance A, magnetic field due to first wire is greater than magnetic field due to second wire, R by 2. Okay. A is greater for A. At same distance, magnetic field A will be greater, okay, when compared to B. Okay. Then on the circumference, what do you get? On the circumference, what is J? Not I by 2 pi r you can write, okay, on the circumference. So at a distance A, on the circumference, magnetic field for first wire is greater, mu naught I by 2 pi A, inversely proportional to A. Okay. So A is smaller, radius is smaller, magnetic field will be more. Okay. On the circumference, magnetic field for A is greater. Long, long, correct. Okay. Correct. Follow. Follow. Okay. Side mu naught Jr by 2, on the circumference mu naught I by 2 pi r, because I is same. Magnetic field inversely proportional to R on the circumference. So smaller the radius, more is the magnetic field if I is same. Okay. For A, magnetic field on the circumference is more when compared to B. That graph he has given only for B. Thomson model is considered and alpha rays are bombarded on this model. Alpha rays with direct question. Okay. All deflected same angle. Deflected all at cross undeviated wide angle. They will be reflected, okay, because alpha rays are positively charged. And Thomson model is what? Thomson model is atom he has considered as a positively charged solid body like a plum cake with electrons embedded at different positions, okay, like watermelon or plum cake with fruity. So a positively charged, it is throughout distributed, and alpha particles are also positively charged. They get deflected. Coming towards center, maximum deflect, others less reflect. Pass undeviated is wrong actually. But pass undeviated is for Rutherford's model, because he has assumed lot of empty spaces in atom. Thomson has not assumed lot of empty spaces. He has assumed positive charge is distributed throughout. Okay. They get deflected. A man crosses a river going with speed of man with respect to man crosses the river along the path AB. This is the absolute path along AB, absolute velocity along AB, that is absolute path, and this is velocity of stream, let us say u, and this is the direction of man with respect to stream, that is also u. Then resultant of these two is absolute velocity, resultant of velocity of stream, and velocity of man with respect to stream is absolute velocity. Absolute velocity is in this direction. Then what is path AB? Then value of line AC makes an angle theta with path AB. This angle is theta. Okay. What is theta? They are asking. Resultant of these two direction. But these two vectors are same in magnitude. So resultant should bisect the angle between the two vectors. 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. Okay. So answer is B. 70. Carnot engines are operated in first one, they receive at T1 equal to 600 Kelvin. Checks a reservoir at temperature T2. Second one rejected by first one, and in turn reject T2 reservoir at T3. calculate the temperature T2. Work outputs of the are same. The first one that absorbs heat from T1, rejects it to T2. Okay. One and here Q2, let us say Q2. What is work done in the first case? Q1 minus Q2. Okay. Second one, heat input is Q2 and rejects at a temperature of. Then what is work done? Q minus Q2. But both the work dones are same, they have given. Q1 minus Q2, Q minus Q3. Okay. Then what do you get? Q1 plus Q3 is 2Q2. 1 by Q2 by Q2 equal to 2L. But what is Q1 by Q2? Q1 by T2 by Q2, T3 by T2. 1 by T2 plus T3 by T2. 1 plus T3 by 2 is equal to T12. So, to temperature of middle one, okay. That is T1 plus T by 2 is how much? 100 plus 400 by 2, that is 500. Answer is A, 500. Electron and a proton combine to form a hydrogen atom. Electron is in second excited state. N equal to 3, second excited state. From this state, a photon that strikes a electron. Threshold wavelength for metal is 4000 angstrom. 4000 angstrom. Maximum possible kinetic energy. Maximum possible kinetic energy means photon should have maximum energy. 3 to 1 transition, then maximum energy. So 3 to 1 transition, what is energy? 13.6. 1 minus 1 by 9. That is 8 by 9. 8 by 9 means approximately 12 will get. Around 12 electron. Approximately you can write, okay, because answers they have given wide separation. Not calculate exact, okay. Then what is maximum kinetic energy? Is 12 electron volt, approximately 12, around 12.1 I will get. Minus work function. What is work function? Threshold wavelength is 4000. What is corresponding energy? You can write like this, okay. If it is 100 nanometer or 1000 angstrom, energy is 12.5 electron volt approximately. You can remember this, you can write for any other thing. For 1000 angstrom, 12.5 electron volt. For 4000, it is 1/4. 1/4 of 12, around 3 I will get. 12 minus 3, around 9 I will get, okay. 12 minus 3, so 9 electron volt. Answer is A. You can do faster, okay. You can remember this. 1000 angstrom, 12.5 electron. Then if wavelength is more, energy will be less. 1000 angstrom is there, half of that. Okay, lambda, okay. If it is 500 angstrom, energy will be double. Wavelength halves, energy gets doubled. Question 19. Raindrops are falling vertically on it of 20 per second. Now wind started blowing horizontally with a speed of 5 meters. Vertically downwards is negative y-axis if I assume. Horizontally is x-axis if I assume. What is absolute velocity of plane raindrops now? Pi I bar minus 20 j bar. What is velocity of rain? Pi I bar minus 20 j bar meters per second, okay. The cyclist is 35 meters per second opposite to wind, means minus I bar. What is velocity of cyclist? Minus 35 I bar. Then what velocity is rain? Cyclist. Velocity of rain with respect to cyclist. Velocity of rain, velocity of cyclist. So what do you get? 40 I bar. Subtract this to what do you get? 40 I bar minus 20. What is magnitude? Root of 40 square plus 20 square. That is 25 I will get. 5. Okay. 20th question. Are filled to the height of 12 centimeters first. Find the location where a hole should be or maximum range. The hole should be made at a height of h by 2. It's also a standard question. Let us say this total height is capital H. Hole is made at a height small h. Then with what velocity liquid comes out? Root 2 minus h. Okay, right. Then how do you find range? Velocity into time of flight. What is time of flight? Root 2h by g. Root by g. Cancels. Then this is range. Okay. What do you get? Root of 4 into h minus h square L. So for what value of small h, x is maximum. Then differentiate this and equal to 0. Whatever is there under root, you differentiate. If I differentiate this with respect to small h, what do you get? H minus 2h equal to 0. What is small h? By 2 L get. Capital H. What is? Answer is 6. First question. Particle performing a sin omega t plus phi equal to 0. Particle is and angular velocity. Velocity is 2 omega. Find amplitude. What is velocity? Equal to omega into root of a square minus x square. Velocity when the particle is at a distance x from mean position. Velocity is 2 omega. So if I square on both sides, square, that is 4 omega square I will get. Square is 4 omega square. Equal to omega square into a square minus x square. X square is 4. Omega square cancels. A square equal to 8. What is a? Root 8. That is 2. Second question. Body of mass m at rest starts moving along straight line by developing a power. Distance travelled by body time t. Constant power p. Now constant power p. Power is constant. Okay. Then what is power? Work done by time taken. Work done is change in kinetic energy. Velocity is 0. What is final velocity? V, let us say, after time t. Velocity is then half mv square. What is kinetic energy? Half mv square by time is equal to power. If power is constant, power into time will be work done in a time t. Okay. So work done is nothing but change in kinetic energy. Total kinetic energy is 0. Half mv square equal to p L. Okay. Then what is V? So 2 by m root t, that is t to the power of half. You can write this as ds by dt and integrate on both sides. Then what do you get? Displacement is power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 I'll get. Okay. Of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. That's all. Okay. Answer B. Communication, a message signal of amplitude 4 modulated with carrier signal of amplitude 12 volts. Find modulation. Modulation index mu by AC by 12, that is 1 by 3. Answer is 24. 1 mole of an ideal gas undergoes adiabatic process, temperature from 27 to 37. Gas is polyatomic, has 4 vibrational modes. Find net work done. What is work done in adiabatic process? Work done is P1 V1 minus P by gamma minus 1 or NR delta T by gamma minus 1. NR delta T by gamma minus 1. But actually temperature is increased. So internal energy has increased. So work done should be negative because it is adiabatic process. How do you find gamma? Polyatomic has 4 vibrational modes of freedom. Each vibrational mode has 2 energy terms. Okay. So how many vibrations of freedom? 8 I will get. Translational 3, rotational 3, vibrational 8. Each vibration means 2 energy terms, 1 potential energy, 1 kinetic energy. 4 vibration, 8 degrees of freedom. Plus 6, 14 I will get. So degrees of freedom are 14. Okay. What is gamma? 1 plus 2 by f. That is the relation between degrees of freedom and gamma. So 1 plus 2 by 14. That is 1 plus 1 by 7. What is gamma minus 1? 1 by 7 I will get. Substitute gamma minus 1 is 1 by 7. Then work done I will get. Okay. What is work done? 7 into number of moles. 1. So R is 25 by 3 approximately. Delta T, that is 7 to 37, that is 10. Temperature difference not change units. Okay. So they have asked internal energy, then you should not write in degrees centigrade, you should write in Kelvin. Okay. Then that's all. Approximately how much you'll get? This 8 into 7, so around 560. Answer 10. Something else. Around 560. Okay. Less than that. Okay. 1 plus 2 by f. So what is gamma? Gamma minus 1 is 2 by f. F is 14, so 1 by 7 L. 1 by 7 is 7. 7 into r into delta. 7 to 37 is 10. That's all. Okay. I hope all of you have written well exam. Okay. Results may come by weekend, I think.